Candy Shaw with Tips and Tricks Tuesday. And when you are foiling short hair, sometimes you run into the challenges of hair sort of popping out of your hands. Now in this case, I'm putting a base color on and I'm doing my foil on top for time efficiency. But when you're foiling and doing so, and you're trying to put that base color in between the foil, a little trick that can help you is when I go to weave this hair, I get my weave, I take my comb and I actually open the foil up from before, stick my comb right down in there, and that holds down the hair from the previous section. Then I can take my foil, lay it down onto the color that's there, fold over my highlight, and of course paint my streak while pulling out my comb. I can paint right on top of my foil. What that does is it just helps my foil from popping up, and it gets me a lot closer to the scalp as I'm trying to paint this hair. You'll also notice that in some cases I'm going to use a longer foil when I know the hair is going to be more erect on the very top of the head. And then around the face and around the sides, I'm going to use more of a smaller foil or a torn foil in that process. So as I weave and I'm folding my foil, I just take my comb and I use that as a resource or literally a clip to hold that hair down as I'm trying to put that base color in between. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks with Candy Shaw.